In this video, we're going to talk about so many proof payments that just came in, and we're going to talk about the new launch of the 200 cash daily profit $1,000 a day for life flyer, the new launch. We're going to talk about that in just a few moments. We're going to roll this and talk about all this on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas, turn your speakers up. We got a good one for you today. Hey guys, go ahead and like the video. I really would appreciate it if you would like the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. This channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. And I'm telling you what, guys, great things are happening, and it could not be more excited. We've got a new launch of this flyer. We'll walk around. We're going to talk about some income examples. We're going to go through some proof of what has came in, and I could not be more excited. We're going to talk about what we feel that you can make in these programs. Of course, you're going to see some mind-blowing examples, but income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action and you do a lot of it. Great things are happening. Before we get into this flyer, we go over to the channel here. This channel about money-making opportunities, again, and ways to exponentially grow your income. And we cater to a wide audience, young, old, middle-aged, big, tall, no matter what your ethnic background is, we have a wide audience. So what we want to do is present something that will resonate to a wide audience of people. We've got a ton of programs here, folks. And I tell you what, set and forget. I love set and forget. I love all types of programs. I like Bitcoin. I like Forex. I like direct mail. I like affiliate marketing. I like all this stuff. But guys, the main thing that's so simple that when you have programs that you can just set and forget, you can just put some little action into them, don't have to worry about them, let them do what they do. And it's truly mind-blowing. But like I said, check out the channel. Check out some of the things that we've got going on. In the description of most of the videos, I am leaving a playlist concerning that particular video. It's about like a Walmart, folks, and you know, how many items does a Walmart sell? How many items does your local grocery store sell? Let me tell you what, diversification, if you really want to explode your income, you have something that is diversified to a wide audience of people. Again, how many of you shop at a store that sold one item or two items or three items? But when you have the diversification of things, it is incredible. And versus, you know, do you want to make $5,000 to $7,000 a month, or do you want to make over $10,000 per month? The choice is yours. The sky is literally the limit. We've got a new launch, and before I go into this new launch, Greg did an outstanding job with the M80 website. This thing is cranking out like nobody's business. I'm excited about it. And he even put the direct mail postcard on the bottom of it. I'm going to talk about this probably in tomorrow's video about M80 advertising. Just a tremendous business. So M80 advertising, but that's for a separate video. I got plenty of videos on M80 advertising. Also, the supplement grid, guys, he has put the way to order postcards on the bottom of that website. Also, I think that is got a flyer here, and we've got a flyer here, and it is incredible. It's called the 200 Cash Daily Profit $1,000 a day for life. And we've got people joining this flyer already. I hadn't even talked about it on a YouTube channel. We have got people that already mailed this flyer, and we're getting payments right now on this flyer. But I'm going to open up some proof real quick of what has come in the mail. This is incredible, and great things are happening. Before we do this, I want to show you. I've been talking about this postcard here, folks. I've been talking about this yellow postcard. This thing is cranking out payments. I'm talking about $500 up to $1,500, upwards of $3,500 a sign up. Look at this, folks. Revan Wilson just did a video 3 days ago. As I record 3 days ago, Revan Wilson just bought in another $1,750 sale. $1,750 in one sign up. Of course, income disclaimer. In life, nothing happens until you take action. And that was marketing this postcard. This is incredible. And I could not be more excited as to what we've got going on. Does this stuff work? It absolutely works, folks. We just don't come up here just because it gives us something to do. But it's to help other people. And the products behind what we're doing. We offer value. We offer the mindset reports. We offer the leads. We host the lines. We provide unlimited customer service. So not only are you getting product, service, but you're getting tremendous value. Every one of these programs is product driven. So you can be very excited about that. We take care of all the product fulfillment, and we could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Let's get into this stuff here. Here is a payment that came in. Look at this, folks, for the 200 cash daily. We've got a payment here. And they have joined, and this is the monitor payment. They sent in, let me cover up this information. The monitor payment, and that is $100 for that monitor payment. All right, let's set this aside. I don't want to get confused in the middle of the video. Here is a one, guys, for, let me open this up. This is a payment. Look at our friend here, folks. This is the $1,000 a week solution flyer. $1,000 a week solution flyer. And with this flyer, you get paid $100. Here was another $100 money order right there for the $1,000 a week solution flyer. We'll set this aside. Welcome, Ralph D, to the program. Welcome, Ralph D, and welcome Sally out of Tennessee. Welcome, Sally out of Tennessee, to the 200 cash daily flyer. We have another, a certified. This letter came in certified. We'll cover up his information. Welcome, George, to the program. He sent this as a certified letter, certified mail. And let's open this up. Careful not to tear something. And what did George send in? This is for... That's why I said, folks, the diversification of income. This is for the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, that Millionaire, I'm going to do another video of the Millionaire Mailer. This program has been around for 7 years, over 7 years. We've got it in one flyer, and it is performing phenomenally. That's why I said, folks, these programs will perform for years to come. This thing, 7, 8 years. Reverend Wilson's been talking about the Millionaire Mailer. And what did they come in with? Look at this, folks. Look at this. A $250 sign up today with the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, do you see the method behind having multiple programs running for you in the background on 100% autopilot? Your job is just to get it started, and you do it over and over and over and over again. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Folks, this is exciting. Let's go over here. Here is another payment that came in. And this one, guys, 200 cash daily. The 200 cash daily. And this person, this is the person that sent in for the affiliate program, a $200 check. So I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. I'm telling you, great things are happening in these programs. I want to invite you to come along for the ride. Due to the sake of the video, I don't want to be long-winded. I'm going to go through how this flyer works. This thing is incredible. Request the flyer. The information will be below the video. It's a brand new flyer. We want to have you to get you in a place that you're collecting payments on a daily basis or every other day. You start out collecting, 1 to 2 a month, 2 or 3 a month, 4 or 5 a month. And we'll show you how to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a week. It's possible. I'm telling you what, so much sometimes come in, it can be mind-boggling, but it's very exciting. Of course, we're nothing special. I'm nothing special. I'm just somebody that takes action on a daily basis. And again, all the videos that we put up, guys, are not proof videos. They want to be more educational and training. But every now and then we want to throw up a proof video, not to impress you, but to impress upon you what is possible. But this thing is incredible, guys. The way this thing works is $700 to join, and it pays out $100 to the person in number one. $200 to person number one, $200 to number three, $200 to number four, and $100 to the monitor. Folks, that is incredible. Again, $100 to the person number one, $200 to number two, $300 to number 200 to number four. So basically, you get paid $200 on 3 levels. You're in number one. Once you get a sign up, you move to number 2. You're always on their flyer, those permanent pay positions. And then you move to number 4. And folks, that is incredible. Great things are happening. We could not be more excited about this flyer. In order to get started, guys, request a flyer and I'll send it to you from the information below, and we'll get you started. 2023 is going to be incredible. 24, 25 is going to be amazing. And we want to invite you. We're on a journey, road to financial freedom. Do you want to do this, folks, or do you want to work 40, 50 hours a week on a job? The choice is yours. Do you want to work part-time on this and work part-time on your job? Or do you want to live life on your own terms? It's totally up to you. We have something for every audience, something to fit you, something for every gender, and we're all inclusive here. All right, folks, have a wonderful day. Bye for now until the next video.